welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited today because we are going to IKEA. IKEA just opened here in Muscat like last week. So it's a pretty new IKEA. It's a pretty big IKEA. It's in the Avenues Mall, Oman. So we are going there. I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you do so, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you want to see. And also if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. That's going to help me a lot. And don't forget to share this video among others if you want to, obviously. Now let's go. Okay, so currently I'm sitting here in a very cozy spot here in IKEA. As you can see, there's a bathroom right behind me, but this is kind of a little living room kind of a situation. And I look-y want to move in here, and there are many people who are looking at me really weirdly, but this is what you do once you're a content creator. I really want to show you these flowers. Look, how cool is this? How cool are these flowers? How cool is everything else? And there are so many people, like we are here in the morning and you can see how many people are here.